Hello friends, welcome to my channel Entertainment Hut. Today we are going to see the previous year question paper of IEO exam conducted by SOF. For questions 1 to 7, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Question number 1. Sumit is a dash eater, he won't eat it. Option A, tricky. Option B, free. Option C, picky. Option D, tough. And the correct answer is picky. Sumit is a picky eater, he won't eat it. Question number 2. Dash I practiced, I didn't participate. Option A, so. Option B, but. Option C, as. Option D, although. The correct answer is although. Moving on to the third question. The class is dash 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Option A, between. Option B, on. Option C, from. Option D, for. And the correct answer is between. The class is between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m. Fourth question. We should help dash in difficult times. Option A, us. Option B, each. Option C, another. Option D, each other. And the correct answer is option D, each other. Question number 5. The player dash his racket in the air after winning the match. Option A, passed. Option B, tossed. Option C, aced. Option D, juggled. And the correct answer is option B, tossed. Sixth question. I dash for the manager since 2 p.m. Option A, I am waiting. Option B, have waited. Option C, will be waiting. Option D, have been waiting. And the correct answer is have been waiting. I have been waiting for the manager since 2 p.m. Question number 7. Everyone enjoyed the performance. It was dash entertaining. Option A, extreme. Option B, much. Option C, extremely. Option D, least. And the right answer is option C, extremely. For questions 8 and 9, choose the correct option for the underlined word. Question number 8. Rohit leaned against the freshly painted pillar. The word is against. Option A, noun. Option B, adjective. Option C, preposition. Option D, adverb. And the right answer is preposition. Against is a preposition. Question number 9. No one was attentive at the meeting. No one is a underlined word. Option A, adjective. Option B, pronoun. Option C, adverb. Option D, conjunction. And the right answer is option B, pronoun. For question number 10 and 11, we have to choose the correct part of the sentence that has an error. The question is walking on the grass is prohibited here. Option A, walking on. Option B, the grass. Option C is prohibited here. Option D, no error. And the answer is prohibited here. In this sentence, instead of prohibited word should come. So the errorless sentence is walking on the grass is prohibited here. The 11th question is everyone have submitted their test papers. Everyone have submitted their test papers, no error. And the correct answer is option A, everyone have. Everyone is a singular pronoun. So instead of have, we should write everyone has submitted their test papers. For 12th and 13th questions, we have to choose the option with the correct spelling. So please look at the options and select the right answer. Yes, the right answer is option C, navigate. For the 13th question also, please look at the options and select the correct spelling. And the answer is option B. 14th question. Choose the correct synonym of the word rebellious. Option A, unruly. Option B, devoted. Option C, constant. Option D, loyal. And the answer is option A, unruly. Question number 15. Choose the correct antonym of the word resistance. Option A, protest. Option B, objection. Option C, opposition. Option D, approval. And the answer is option D, approval. For the question 16 to 19, we have to choose the most suitable option to complete each conversation. Mahira, Janais is very dash. Geet, I completely agree. Option A, pretend. Option B, pretentious. Option C, pretended. Option D, pretense. And the answer is pretentious. Janice is very pretentious. Question number 17. Father. Call me, dash, you reach the station. Son. Okay, dad. Option A, that. Option B, which. Option C, as soon as. Option D, so. And the answer is as soon as. Call me as soon as you reach the station. Question number 18. Don't misbehave, dash anybody. Option A, to. Option B, with. Option C, of. Option D, at. The answer is option B, with. Don't misbehave with anybody. Question number 19. Ria. Pooja stole Dash show with her amazing performance. Option A, no article. Option B, some. Option C, a. Option D, the. And the answer is option D, the. Pooja stole the show with her amazing performance. Question number 20. Some people dash in eating when they are stressed. Option A, start. Option B, belong. Option C, indulge. Option D, enjoy. And the answer is option C, indulge. Some people indulge in eating when they are stressed. Question number 21. Always remember to spend dash your means. Option A, from. Option B, within. Option C, on. Option D, for. And the right answer is option B, within. Always remember to spend within your means. Question number 22. Choose the option with correct spelling. Yes, option A is the right answer. Question number 23. Choose the correct synonym of sparse. Option A, meager. Option B, ample. Option C, swarming. Option D, prolific. And the correct answer is option A, meager. Question number 24. Choose the correct option to complete the conversation. Rohit, you should complete this too. Shama, cut me, dash. I am already overburdened. Option A, shack. Option B, slack. Option C, shame. Option D, shy. And the answer is option B, slack. Cut me slack. I am already overburdened. I hope you really liked this video. Still 10 more questions are pending under reading comprehension section. So I will upload it in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. If you really like this video, don't forget to give a like button and a subscribe to this channel. Thank you.